Hello everyone, this is Daniel and Kelly from fitnessblender.com.
So today we're very excited to share with you that Fitness Blender is hiring. We are currently looking for certified personal trainers, mental health therapists, and physical therapists.
Though our audience is worldwide, currently we're still a relatively small business, so all these positions are for US based people only, but they are all remote work positions. So you can be anywhere in the United States and work for us. So if you're interested in one of those positions, please check out the link below to find out more about it.
And right now, you should know we already have registered dietitians and doctors of physical therapy and certified personal trainers are all on site. We actually take open questions all of the time, and we even decide what we write about next based on what you're asking for. So all of that is already happening on site. It has been for actually years. What you see on YouTube is a very, very, very tiny part of what we do with Fitness Blender. So again, I know we've said it like probably a few thousand times now, but if you have never checked out the website, you're missing out between all of the content and extra site features there.
Don't worry, Kelly and I aren't going anywhere. We are hiring these new positions for extra content specifically for FB+. But don't worry, we're still going to be putting out our free content as well.
FB Plus is what is making hiring possible for us right now, and it's also a huge part of us being able to continue to produce free content as well as support all of the robust features on the free side of our website. So we're really excited to be in the position that we are now and able to grow Fitness Blender and bring in more professionals and be able to offer more content. When we first started Fitness Blender 11 years ago, it was just the two of us. It stayed just the two of us for about 8 crazy busy years, and now we have a team of 8, and as we're telling you here today, we are taking on more people. So if you feel like you like what we're doing and you have a similar passion, we'd love to hear from you.
So again, we are currently looking for CPTs, DPTs, so doctors of physical therapy and mental health professionals, to bring onto the team for both writing content and filming content. So if you're interested in that at all, again, please look at the links below to see what each one of those job descriptions is about.
Also, we have more jobs coming in the very near future. This jobs page is going to be continually updated, so please keep an eye out if you're interested.
Yep. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on our next workout video. Bye.